Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a cheap balance charger for your 6S battery by using two IMAX B3 charger. To make the charger you will be needing this IMAX 3B. Depending upon your battery you need to buy the chargers. For charging 6S battery at once you will be needing two chargers. First, second, third battery will be charged by the first charger and fourth, fifth, sixth will be charged by the second charger. If you only have one charger, then you can charge the first, second and third battery first and charge fourth, fifth, sixth battery. Each TP4056 inside IMAX 3B is only having 800 milliamps. So for 3 battery you will get 2.4 amps. But if you are using 6S battery with 2 chargers, you will get 4.8 amps. I need to charge my 6S battery, that means I need 2 B3 chargers. To make the connector, first connect the 4-pin JST connector to the B3 charger. After you connect both JST 4-pin connectors, you need to connect the first B3's last output to the first pin of the second connector. It should look like this. Because I want to charge a 6S battery, that means I need a 7-pin JST connector. If I want to charge a 5S battery, that means I need a 6-pin JST connector. If I want to charge a 4S battery, 5-pin JST connector, and so on. Solder the connector like this. Make sure you are on the right orientation of the JST male pin. It should look like this. I connected my 6S battery to the JST 7-pin connector, making sure all connections are correct. Our connector is done. To secure it, you can add hot glue. And let's see how it works. So I connected my working 3S battery, and you can see it how it should look like. And I connected the adapter of 6S, then connected my 6S battery. As you can see, it is charging. And thank you for watching. Consider to subscribe and give a like.